In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of the use of language in context or situation. Listeners and audience, if you remember, I told you about inference and its types, like deductive inference and inductive inference. Today, I'm going to teach you abductive inference and its example. What is abductive inference? What is the importance of abductive inference and how we reach a conclusion based on abductive inference? First of all, let me tell you about the word abductive. What is meant by the word abductive? Okay, ab mean away. Inductive mean guidance. So now the word abductive as a whole mean away from guidance. Listeners and audience, the definition of abductive inference means to draw a conclusion or to reach a conclusion in the presence of several explanations and observations, and to choose best explanation in the presence of the explanations. I'm repeating. Abductive inference means to draw a conclusion or reach a conclusion in the presence of several explanations based on your observations and facts. Listeners and audience, one example for better understanding is there is a student, for example, in grade 4th, and he failed the test. He was called by his parents or by his principal that why that particular student failed the test or why he was failed in the test. So now there are so many explanations. There are so many explanations and answer. But if his teacher was asked, one of his teacher was asked that why he failed the test. So one teacher would say that he failed the test due to several spelling mistakes. So now that teacher would answer based on the presence of several explanations and facts, but he would just try to select the best one. And there can be other explanation as well. He failed the test because he was coming late to the class. He failed the test because he was not working hard. He failed the test because he was wasting his time. He failed the test because he was not preparing himself for that test. So several explanations are there. So hope that this topic is clear to you that what is abductive inference and its types. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss other important topics in pragmatics. That what are other important topics?